This vehicle is the Chausson 777 GA Titanium Ultimate. This vehicle will cost in excess of €81,000. It is 719 centimeters long by 235 wide. Now it's got a face-to-face arrangement with a rather large table, and this is a van for 2 people. Comes with this German layout at the back, and it's a rather difficult to operate German layout. We've got storage at the back, and at the side there's a window on either side which is quite large. Under the bed we find more storage. We can extend the size of the bed by the use of the mattress which is on the top of the bed at the moment. If I come into the toilet, you can see it's quite large, and I'll close the door there, and in here the side we have got the shower. Kitchen is with 2 hobs and a large sink, which has underneath it there's storage. So I can't open that. Large storage, and in here as well, and under there as well. This vehicle has a equivalent one in the Challenger brand, and you might want to have a look at that one as well. First person to get to mention what the Challenger number of it will get their comment pinned. Face-to-face arrangement, and this means that these chairs can be turned round to face the direction of traffic if needed, and one day I shall do a demonstration of how to do that. Large amounts of storage in the lounge as well, which you can see. Wonderful large panoramic light up front, and here as well, skylight I should say, not light as in light. So it's 719 centimeters, is a relatively easy to drive length, I think, but maybe those disagree. It's got a large garage, and there'll be a film with more details later. Thanks.